what they're missing is they don't have trust, because I never once sold any maintenance to a customer by talking about the viscosity of brake fluid. What I would do is I would pet the dog, I would build trust, and then I would tell the customer, like, hey, Hoagie, you're due for brake fluid in an alignment. And then they would say yes or no. But most of the time they would say yes because they trusted me.
Mm-hmm.
And I knew nothing about the viscosity of brake fluid. Like, I understood maintenance and I understood the value and that it would save you money in the long run, but I'm not a technician. And so for me to get into the product knowledge would have been a disaster because I wasn't a tech. I didn't understand it. The key for selling for good advisors is trust. The customers trust them. They trust them because they're controlling the frame, which is what we were just talking about a minute ago. They're doing things when they say they're going to do them. They're taking the decision fatigue away from the customers and making them feel safe because the process makes them feel safe. The process in the drive and how the customers are handled drives the sales more than the advisor's product knowledge and overcoming objections. Like, if you're overcoming objections with customers, most of the time it's harassment. Like, you just don't understand, right? We've talked about that before, the advisor training out there that's ask 5 times. Like, if you ask for a customer to buy an alignment 5 times, they're never coming back. And a real advisor knows that. Like, you've never written service a day in your life if you think that it follows the normal